bright LED lights on top of the canopy as well. But because it's black, the lights don't penetrate the plastic, and it is not a bright quadcopter like some of the other ones that I've flown at night and are fond of. This is a really nice quadcopter. The build quality is excellent. The flight ability is excellent as well. But because it only comes in black right now, I wish they made a white one, and I would jump on the white one because of I love to fly at night because the wind is so calm at night, and you get the best flying ability without any wind at night. So anyways, we're gonna check it out, so let's give it a try. Taking off. Still a very smooth flyer in low rates. As you can see, it doesn't really light up as much, so you kind of don't know the orientation of it. We are in medium rates. Very smooth flyer. And lots of power. The climbing ability is excellent on this thing. Blue lights are in the front and the red lights are in the back. You can't go too far. You really can't see what the orientation is like when it's too far. But you do see the canopy blue light coming at you. Woo-hoo-hoo. We'll turn off the lights. I'm using the X800 TX. Complete turn off the lights. Wow. I would think they would leave one light on, but nope. The whole thing goes out. Do some flips. Going on high rates. Do some barrel rolls. Woohoo. Yep, pretty easy to lose orientation. Okay, bringing it back. Barrel rolls. Nice smooth barrel rolls. Woohoo! Let go of the throttle over there. Ho 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 ho. Oh! It went lower than I expected it to. Oop, the lights are flashing.